ARI is honored to be at the first SEMIEXPO Heartland event, which is the first event here in the Midwest that really is creating a unique environment for all of the Midwestern states in semiconductors and microelectronics to have a time to unite, to network, and to really collide.
There's an importance for a few reasons. One is it represents a partnership of states. Stronger together in the Midwest.
ARI has been a fantastic partner. They've actually supported Purdue workforce and research opportunities going all the way back to last decade.
ARI has been terrific in helping us build up our microelectronics capabilities at IU and working closely with subject matter experts across the government and industry.
We're helping drive innovative technology. Having this event held, a SEMI event, the first time ever in the Midwest is a major milestone to help the region get the word out that, hey, we have people that are interested in boarding microelectronics. We have the ecosystem